Hi guys, this is Mars from the BCC High School Programs team. I am here to show you how to look for a class that fits your schedule best. If you don't happen to know the CRN number, I will show you how to get that. First things first, you want to go to the frontrange.edu website and you're going to log into your eWolf account. That's going to be located at the top right corner of the screen. Your S number is going to be the S number that was given to you in the confirmation email when you were admitted to FRCC. Your password, this is your first time login, it's going to be the word student with capital S, 2 digits for your birth month, 2 digits for your birthday, and 4 digits for your birth year. You're going to sign in, and if this is your first time, it's going to ask you to change your password, and you can follow through with that. If it isn't the first time, this is what you'll see. Obviously, my eWolf screen is going to be a little bit different to yours just because I am an FRCC employee and you are a student. But the buttons are going to be the same, so you're going to scroll down until you see the add or drop classes. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to take you to this page. The spring 2021 term should already be pre-selected for you. All you have to do is hit submit. It's going to give you the student account payment agreement. You're more than welcome to read through that, and some white boxes. If you happen to know the CRN number, which is a 5-digit number, course registration number, you're going to go ahead and put that on that first box. But if you don't, this is why I'm making the video, to take a look at that class and get that CRN number. So you're going to do a class search. If you go this route, it's going to take you this page. If you go this route, it's going to give you all of the classes that Front Range Community College is offering, whether that's at Westminster, Larimer, Boulder County, the Brighton Center. All of that's going to be in here. But if you want to, specifically pinpoint a course that's going to be offered at the Boulder County area in the Boulder County, then you can go this route by hitting advanced search, and it's going to take you to this page. It's going to look like this. Let's say that you're looking for an English course. Let's see, we'll click English and 121, and we're going to select FRCC Boulder County Campus. We will do a section search. And it's going to give you all of the courses that are going to be offered at Boulder County. So this first one is going to be offered Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 to 12:30. It says remote and online. That means you will be in a WebEx meeting from 11 o'clock till 12:30, and the rest of the work will be completed online. And you can kind of take a look. If Tuesday and Thursday don't work for you, there's another one that is Monday and Wednesday. So you'll be able to see which of the courses fit your schedule best, depending on the day or hour that you're looking for. All right. Again, you can't see on my screen for some odd reason, but on this area, there's going to be a little check mark, a little box that you'll be able to check along for the class that you want. And at the very bottom of the page, you can't see it for some reason, I'll say submit changes, and that will get you registered. If that doesn't show up on your screen, this is the course registration number that I was telling you. It's going to be 5 digits. It's going to be in blue and hyperlinked. If you want to know more about the course, you can go ahead and click it, and it's going to give you a description about what that course is, the CRNs, who the professor is, all that good stuff. And you can copy and paste that CRN number into the registration page. Well, I can't do that there for some odd reason. But it'll tell you, if you want to email the professor directly, it's going to give you that option. And once you're done, you can just click back. And let's say now you're looking for another course, French, for instance, French 101. You can take a look at all the classes that are going to be offered. If you have a preference, if you only want Monday and Wednesday, you can click Monday and Wednesday. If you are looking exclusively for Tuesday and Thursday, you can go ahead and click for those days. And sometimes you won't get any class because unfortunately there isn't a professor that teaches Tuesdays and Thursdays French 101. So, alright, that should do it. If you have any questions, please go ahead and email them to me or your counselor, and we can get you the help you need.